Welcome to Vista, your ultimate tool for data visualization. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to log in, connect to a data source, and create your first visualization with just a few clicks. This is our login screen. You'll need to enter your username and password over here in order to log in. Once you have logged in, you'll see our welcome screen. Now, in order to create a new workbook, you'll need to click on this new button. Once you click the new button, you'll see the data sources that you have uploaded over here. Now, you'll need to connect to a data source in order to visualize your data. Once you are connected to a data source, you'll see a new workbook. Now, this workbook has two sections. First section has the column names that our dataset has, and the second section is this drop zone, which contains rows, values, columns, filters, and row level. Now, if I want to see category-wise sales, I just need to drag and drop the category column into the rows section in our drop zone and the sales column in our values. Now I can see category wise sales. Now, for instance, I just want to see the sales for technology category. What I need to do is I just drag the category column into the filters section over here and select technology category, and I can see the technology sales filter. Now, if I also want to see subcategory of technology sales, I'll just drag the subcategory and drop into the rows field. Now I can see subcategory affiliated with two technologies over here: accessories, copies, machines, and phones. Now, if I also want to see year-wise sales for this data, I'll just drag the date into the columns and select whichever format I want to see. For instance, I want to see year-wise sales. I'll select year and click on sale. Now I can see the sales for each year for this data. Now, if I want to summarize the sales of this data, I just need to click on this format button and I start. Now, if I want to see the column total, for example, if I want to see this total sum for FY 2021 for this category, I just need to click on column total. Now I can see the column total for each year of my data. Now, for example, if I just want to see the phone sales in total, I'll just click on row total. And if I want to see the grand total, I'll just turn on both of these options, and here I can see the total sales of technology. For example, if I want to see this data in some other wiz type, I'll just click on this wiz type button over here and select a wiz type. And select a wiz type. For example, if I select stacked bar, now I can see my data in bar chart. And for example, if I want to see my data in pie chart. After you have created a table, you can also publish the workbook by clicking over here, publish as button. After you click on publish as, this pop-up will appear, and now you can name your workbook whatever you want. Category wise sales. Now you need to select a location and click on publish.